Class 3, Simple and Compound Sentences. In this third class, we are going to learn about simple sentences. A simple sentence is a simple statement about casual day-to-day matters, facts, information about something and more. In addition, simple sentences is that it has just one verb constituting a single independent clause. Simple sentences have different points to remember when you are forming simple sentences. Simple sentences should have at least one subject and one predicate. Simple sentences can have multiple subjects which can be combined using conjunctions. They are called compound subjects. Simple sentences can also have compound predicates. Simple sentences don't have dependent or subordinate clauses. They only have independent clause or main clause. Simple sentences should express a complete thought. Simple sentences can be declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, or exclamatory sentences. So punctuation marks like a full stop, a comma, a question mark, and an exclamation mark can be used in simple sentences. Simple sentence can have prepositions, adverbs, adjectives, adverb clauses, and prepositional phrases. Just to clarify some points, when a sentence has more than one subject per verb, those subjects form a compound subject. And a compound predicate occurs in a sentence when multiple verbs apply to the same subject. Here are some examples of simple sentences to understand better. I am a student at New York Academy of Dramatic Arts. In this sentence, I is the subject and the rest of the sentence is the predicate. Navya, Daya and Priya are going to Thailand for their vacation. Here we have a compound subject because we have three names, but it can also be things are nouns and the rest is the predicate. On the last sentence we have Jake was singing and dancing. On this sentence's Jake is the subject and the rest is the compound predicate because it has two verbs to the same subject. Now it's the time for compound sentence. What it is a compound sentence? A compound sentence is one that has two or more independent clauses connected by a coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction are conjunctions that connect words, phrases, and clauses that are coordinate or equal to each other. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. They can be remembered using the acronym FANBOYS. In the chart you could see the meaning of each one. Here are some things to keep in mind when creating compound sentences. When forming a compound sentence, you have to use coordinating conjunctions to link the independent clauses and be conscious of the punctuation. Remember that compound sentences are a combination of more than one main clause. A main clause or an independent clause is a clause that can stand by itself and pass off as a complete and meaningful sentence. Make sure you use a comma before the coordinating conjunction that links the two independent clauses. The coordinating conjunctions that can be used to link the clauses in a compound sentence are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. In some cases, you can also form a compound sentence without the use of a coordinating conjunction. When you do so, you have to place a semicolon in between the two main clauses. As far as capitalization is concerned, you have to capitalize only the first letter of the first word in the compound sentence. Unless you are using proper nouns in the sentence, do not think of capitalizing any other word. Note that you can also use conjunctive adverbs like however, anyway, meanwhile, likewise, otherwise, etc. to combine the main clauses to form a compound sentence. If you are using conjunctive adverbs, make sure you use a semicolon before it and a comma after it. Now, how to recognize a compound sentence? Well, always bear in mind what a compound sentence is. That is the first thing that will help you. Since coordinating conjunctions can be used to combine individual words, phrases, and clauses, you should first try to pick out the words, phrases, or clauses that are linked by a particular conjunction. Only if they combine two or more independent clauses can they be said to be a compound sentence. Here are examples of compound sentences. First, we have examples of compound sentences with a coordinating conjunction. I am ready to go, but my brother has not reached home yet. Jerry did not complete his homework, so the teacher punished him. My brother should drop me, or I cannot make it to the reception. And here are examples of compound sentences with semicolon. The dress is too tight, I don't think I am going to buy this. He likes Marvel movies, he would probably watch all of it at one stretch. Finally, we have examples of compound sentences with a conjunctive adverb. It was not easy to do it, however, Ashwin managed to complete it. We have to complete it, otherwise, we will have to face the consequences. Well, we conclude another video class. See our previous and next videos to have a better knowledge. Bye, see you.